Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase. First, head over to the Coinbase website and create an account if you haven't already. If you are new to Coinbase, you'll need to verify some ID to trade crypto. Don't worry, the verification process is very quick. Once you are logged in and everything is verified, you'll be brought to the homepage. Your one may look a little different to mine because I have some cryptos on my watch list. To begin trading, you'll need to have a payment method in order to be able to invest some money in crypto. If you do not already have a payment method added, click on the top right on your icon, click on Settings, click on Payment Methods, and click Add a Payment Method. From here, you can select an easy bank transfer, you can select debit cards, you can select PayPal, or you can just directly select a UK or Euro bank account. Follow the steps for whatever payment method you would like to use. Now that you have a payment method, go back to your home. Okay, now that you have a payment method added, click on Trade. From here, you'll see all the different assets that Coinbase has to offer. If you're looking for a specific asset and you cannot find it, select here on Search All Assets and search the asset you would like to purchase. Once you have found an asset that you'd like to purchase, click on the asset. And on the right side, you can see that you can buy, sell, and convert the asset. You can also see that you have a drop down saying one-time purchase. This is for recurring buys. This means if you would like to continuously buy that particular crypto, you can select the frequency that you'd like to buy it at, and then from there you can select the amount that you want to buy it from. Select the amount that you'd like to buy, make sure that you have the correct payment method selected, and then click on Review Order. Because I selected one-time purchase, I have this icon here. If you selected to continuously buy or a recurring buy, you will not have this box here. Once you are ready to buy the asset, click on Buy Now. And now you're done. You can now head over to My Assets, and you'll see the asset that you bought there, and the amount that you have. If you'd like to convert the asset to a different asset, click on the three vertical lines, click on Convert. Then from here, you can select the asset you'd like to convert, and select what you would like to convert it to. Then you can select how much from your available balance you would like to convert it to, and then click on Review Order and then convert it. In this case, I don't want to convert my Bitcoin, so I'm not going to go through with that. Let's say you've made some profit and you'd like to sell off your asset to withdraw your money. Click on the asset you'd like to withdraw, click on Sell. Then from here, you can choose the amount that you'd like to sell, then select what wallet you'd like to withdraw the money to or cash out the money to. Then you will need to click on Review Order, and then you can select to cash it out. If you would like to send a particular asset to someone else, click on the asset and then click on Send. From here, you can select who you'd like to send it to. This can be through their phone number that's registered to their account, their email that's registered to their account. In this case, because I selected Bitcoin, it will be their Bitcoin address or an invoice. Once you have selected who you want to send it to, select the amount that you'd like to send, then click on Preview Send. If all the details are fine, then you can send it to that person. If you would like to receive an asset, click on the three vertical lines, click on Receive, and here you'll be given your Bitcoin wallet. You can see the QR code, and you can also see the Bitcoin address. Copy the Bitcoin address and send it to the person who's going to send you some Bitcoin. All that person needs to do is click on Send, select Recipient, and paste that address into the recipient. As long as that person sends it to that address, you should receive your Bitcoin in due time. Last but not least, let's say you've sold all your assets and now you want to withdraw your money back to your bank account or your selected payment method. All you need to do is head over to the My Assets. When you sell a crypto, the money will be taken to your Coinbase balance. So select on the Coinbase balance and select Cash Out. Type in the amount you'd like to cash out and click on Continue. From here, you can then select how you'd like to cash out and then click on Continue. And that's it. And you're done. So that's how you use Coinbase. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.